So, hey everyone, this is Tripathi Aditya Prakash, a full-time data analyst, and today we are going to talk about a very big concern that data analysts and AI professionals have nowadays is will AI and automation take over data analytics and we'll lose our job? So, I'm here to, decipher it, understand it. So, the short answer for a lot of you guys is no, but there is more to it. So, let's understand about it. So AI and automation are actually tools for us that can actually leverage how we do our work. So let's focus more on that and understand that. So the common fear that AI taking over jobs is everywhere in all of the field it is there. So we'll have to face it because a lot of automation in AI is there that is replacing data analysts. That's what people are saying. To tools such as ChatGPT, AutoML, and advanced data platforms are evolving quite rapidly, and each day and each hour, I'll say, a new technology is being fetched right now. So it's like we are being pushed out of the system because we can't learn on the same level as AI. That's a fact. So, but here's the truth about it. While AI can automate repetitive tasks, it cannot replace human problem solving and creativity and context based insights that human gives as of now. I'll say as of now because right now it's not possible. So these things only as an analyst you can provide. So these what differentiates you and a data analyst. So let's now talk about how AI and automation can help a data analyst. So first is rather than fearing the AI, we have to embrace it and actually understand how to leverage it in our job. So first is data cleaning automation. Since 80% of our job is about data cleaning. So tools such as Python script or AutoML can handle repetitive cleaning tasks that we have and give us more time to focus on analysis. And we'll get faster insights also. AI can provide you large data set in seconds, helping you generate insights more quickly and handle visualization. AI tools can suggest trends or visuals you might not have considered. So it gives you edge there. And for example, that I often use Python libraries and AI tools to clean data sets with missing values or outliers that are there in data, which would usually take hours of work that I can do in minutes. So how to adapt to the system and stay relevant with this AI coming in? So you you can have to think ahead and understand the landscape that is changing right now. So first is to embrace AI. You have to learn how to use such as ChatGPT, learn prompting and all those things, and how to do EDA, exploratory data analysis with ChatGPT, or AutoML is also there for predictive modeling. You have to understand how to use it. And then focus on more advanced skill, like mastering visualization tools such as Tableau or Power BI will deepen your understanding, and use Python and R for more deeper understanding. So you have to understand those. And you have to own your and understand your soft skills that are there. This is very important because good communication and storytelling it is replaceable all the time. Like your ability to transform complex insight into actionable business insights is invaluable and can't be replaced by AI. And you have to keep learning. Like data analysis is an evolving phase, as I keep on telling in each video. So you'll have to stay updated with new technologies and trends such as from platforms such as LinkedIn, Kaggle, and online courses. And for the courses, I also have a mentorship program, and my course is also live on TopMate, where I make tailor-made courses for you guys, so you guys can check that out. So what makes a human analyst irreplaceable? That is what the question must be arising for you guys. See, AI is powerful. There is no doubt about it, but it lacks context, creativity, and decision-making abilities that is there. So for example, contextual understanding, as of now, it's not there. AI can flag anomalies in data, but you are the only one who understand what those anomalies are in a business context. So, and the problem solving, like AI can generate insight, but it cannot figure out what questions to ask. So there they can help it. And then stakeholders interaction. As of now, AI can't replace that human touch and human understanding while talking to human to align to goals or present insights that are there. So your role is basically evolving, not exactly replacing. So you have to understand that. So think of yourself as an analyst who use AI to make more smartly, not harder. So your work is becoming more smarter, not exactly harder. So think that way. So in my course, as I've told you in TopMate, I already talk about this. I'll be teaching how to integrate AI and automation into your workflow to boost efficiency and add value. So we'll cover how to automate repetitive tasks that are there in Python, and we'll talk about how to use AI such as ChatGPT for EDA, and then we'll balance automation with human intervention so that you can understand that. And for more resources, I have told you guys, TopMate is there. All my resource pack is also live for 1000 rupees. That has more than 2K resource material, chat sheets that are there. And then also a lot of resources are there. And with the projects with real-time code is also there. And real-time project ideas are also live. So you can check out my TopMate for it. And my link tree is also in there for my social links. So you can connect with me there. So don't fear AI and automation. Embrace them and use these tools to amplify your impact as a data analyst. So now let me know about you guys. Like, you guys have commented and told me a lot, but you think AI can replace you. So tell me what you think AI can replace you in and why you think that. Let me down in comments below. Like, do you think AI can replace data analysts, and what particular thing you are concerned about? And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more such tips, and share it with people who are having this fear and want to learn more about it. And my channel is all about data analytics, data science, and mentorship and consultancy. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep learning and let's keep growing together. I'll see you guys in the next one.